right, let's get going, and then whoever joins, and then we move to Decentraland. So this is our second Spaces for this year. It's quite excited because we're also doing the first exclusive event for the Sharded Minds community, which will happen in Decentraland. The event is token gated. But before that, we're going to obviously talk some more updates about the DAO and LandWorks. So, Taco, I'll pass the mic to you, and then I'll add some additional stuff in the end.
All right, thank you. Hi, everyone. So I'm going to start with saying that it has been 10 days now since the ads rewards are accumulating within the LandWorks. As you know, last month we launched the ads feature where you can start monetizing your land as soon as you list it on LandWorks. Um, so far we have about 25 or something parcels which have opted in for showing ads. And for those 10 days, there are about $50 worth of rewards we will be distributing to our landlord. Now, this is just for the 10 days that the ad has been on. And so if you have a listed land for rent on the platform and you haven't opted in for ads, please do so. It is free. And also, if you have a Decentraland land that you haven't listed, this is a great way to monetize it. Another thing that I wanted to share here is that in the Discord, there has been discussion around how much each of the landlords has accumulated. This is something that we will be sharing, but to the landlords specifically. So if you're wondering how many, what was the reward so far that you have accumulated, you can drop a message in the Discord, and we'll be more than happy to share this. Probably in the next AMA that we'll do in March, we will disclose more number in regards to the total amount of rewards we have been distributed for the ads feature as a whole. So stay tuned for that. In regards to development, people coming to the AMA probably know that last month we were quite focused. Well, the last few months we were quite focused on delivering the ads feature. As we believe this is a huge milestone for our platform, and we are doubling down on delivering the best experience for our users. And I'm very excited to share that we're working on a feature enabling you to buy lands directly from landlords and list it for rent on our platform. Through this process, you'll be able to start monetizing your investment as soon as you purchase it. And also, the great thing here is that the buying and the listing for rent is going to happen in a single transaction. So this is going to save you some gas in the process. We're expected to launch the feature in March. In other news, we are continuing our business development efforts through bringing more high quality builders to our meta creators page, and also working with some potential partners to enable the profit share mechanism. And last but not least, we are highlighting once again the winners of our Scene grant program that we did last year. We have also released videos on how to deploy each of those scenes, so make sure to check them out. And I think that's all from my end. Z, back to you.
Thanks, Taco. That's pretty excited. I'm both excited that the metaverse ads are picking up traction, and then also about the buying feature. And I like it because it brings like a cohesive set of features for people that are investing into metaverse land and enables them to get like different financial instruments and revenue streams. A couple of small things on my end. First of all, me and Taco are going to be at Web3 XP in Paris next month, which I think is the Paris Blockchain Summit, the larger event. So if anyone's there and wants to chat, our GMs are open. We're happy to talk to everyone from the community. And second thing, I mentioned it on the last call, but it's still ongoing, and we're talking with a one accelerator that is basically one of the bigger metaverses out there, and hopefully this gets done and we can announce like something big quite soon. Those are the two minor updates on my end, and now I guess we can all. I mean, first I can open the floor for questions if there are any, and then we can, after that, we can move to Decentraland where we have the party going with the music from Donny and Reda. So if there are any questions, now's the time. And if not, we'll just move to Decentraland. And as always, Discord is always open, DMs are open. If anyone wants to chat, we're here.
Just a brief announcement: you can claim POAPs from the scene, and the POAPs will be eligible for token giveaway later on this week.
Is it an NFT or Enter tokens?
Enter tokens.
All right. Cool. So let's join in Decentraland. You can find the link in our page. You can see our cool scene. There'll be live music, and hope to see you all there.